Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is US-EU trade deal. This topic relates to international relations of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. After weeks of negotiations, US President Donald Trump and his European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen finally reached a trade agreement, resulting in 15% tariffs on most EU goods. Welcome SSC aspirants. Drishti SSC is here to support you every step of the way, with free live classes, previous year questions, PYQs, demo classes, exam notifications, and strategy videos. Whether you're starting your journey or looking to refine your preparation, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all the resources you need to crack your SSC exams. For more details, call us at 8750187501. Now let's discuss about US-EU trade deal. EU will face 15% US tariff rather than the 30% that had been threatened rate the United States and European Union have finalized a landmark trade deal worth $1.35 billion. The European Union has agreed to buy $750 billion of American energy over a time span of 3 years. Trump said the EU would boost its investment in the US by $600 billion, including American military equipment. US and EU comprised of around 1/3 of the global trade. Now let's discuss about European Union. Founded in 1951 after the Second World War by 6 countries, Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, Luxembourg, and the Netherlands. It has 27 member states currently. The EU has a unique setup of institutions, bodies, and agencies who all work for the common interests of the EU and European people. The UK joined the EU in 1973 and left in 2020. European elections are held every 5 years to elect new members of the European Parliament. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the US-EU trade deal. 1. The final tariff imposed by the US on most EU goods is 30%. 2. The trade deal is valued at $1.35 billion. Which of the statements given above are correct? A. 2 only. B. 1 only. C. Both 1 and 2 are correct. D. Neither one nor. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.